TikTok, how to change email. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your email on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to change your email on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where you need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side, then go to the option called settings and privacy, and once you go to settings and privacy, you'll find the option called account that you can find from the very top right hand side. Once you tap on the account from the top right, here you'll find all the sorts of options where what you can do is go to account information, and then after that you'll just see all these sorts of options. Now if you want to change the email, here you can see the current email. To change it, you can tap on it, tap on the change email, verify the code, and your email will get successfully changed. This way you can change your email on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.